Hey guys, I ain't gonna lie, I always try to keep it real with y'all and pretty much tell it how it is. The Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined release might go down as another terrible drop on Nike sneakers, just like we seen with the Air Jordan Lost and Founds. We gotta talk about it in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. I know you guys seen the thumbnail and the title. It's a lot to discuss in today's video, all surrounding probably the best sneaker of the year. I think it's up there with the military blue 4s and the Bred Reimagined. And like I said, it's pretty tough to pick between the two. I guess we're gonna figure out what happens after the military blue drop. But like I said, we're talking about the talk of the talk now, what everybody's asking about: shock drops, what's going on with the shock drop date and all that stuff over these Bred Reimagined. Before we get any further in today's video, if you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button for your boy, hit the notification bell, and please give a huge thumbs up on today's video, man. All right, I know you guys remember this release right here, and it's almost like the Bred Reimagined release is mirroring this one right here. Hear me out, bro. Hear me out real quick. I don't know if you guys remember, I got the video talking about how you shouldn't buy the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds right now, because I said it would drop tremendously on the release date. But on the release day on Nike Sneakers app, it was totally bugged out. People weren't able to enter for their size. They kept getting error messages for their card, shipping address, signing people out, all types of stuff. It was super, super terrible, which ultimately led to the increase of hype and the demand for the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds right here. And it's almost like these Bred 4 Reimagined doing the same thing, because back in the day when these came out, they were going for about $390, $400 on the market about a month before the drop. And if you guys check the resale for the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, put a little screenshot right over here, they're going for right around the same price. And this is after, people talking about it's 500,000 pairs, it's 600,000 pairs, which is ultimately not a lot when you think about the demand for these OG colorways, and especially like in Chicago, or even these Bred Reimagined, which we keep on talking about, man. So it's looking like they're the same type of release, you feel me? Like the release day hype, the little Timmies and stuff like that, whatever you do want to call it, everything was going for around that $400 price range. And I checked on StockX today, bruh, them things were going for literally the same amount that the Lost and Founds were going for when I made a video talking about, should you buy or should you wait to pay for the Lost and Found ones. That's why I'm like kind of holding my tongue right now. I think everything is ultimately gonna fall on this shock drop that we're supposed to be getting on the Nike Sneakers app. I know it's a lot of people assuming the date, or putting two and two together and stuff like that. It is nothing actually confirmed as of now. I'm not saying that nobody else is right or anything like that. They might be right, but it's in terms of Nike actually confirming the shock drop, it has not happened yet. And hopefully here within the next week we do hear something from Nike, because these drop like the middle of February, and hopefully they do the shock drop a couple of weeks before the drop so people can actually get the sneakers prior to the release date. I thought that was kind of like the whole point of doing the shock drop, to get people pairs earlier, kind of allowing people to get the sneaker, show people the sneaker prior to the release date, building a little bit more hype and anticipation around the drop. Like I said, bro, it's been super, super hush hush. We almost in February now, bro. We right around the corner from this drop right here. We're not hearing the normal rumors we used to hear, for other releases like the Lost and Founds. Like when the Lost and Founds came out, the Playoff 8 shock drop happened, a bunch of sneakers last year. You guys know, we came on YouTube, we told y'all the exact date, we told y'all what's going on. Even the sneakers day, we told y'all when the sneakers day was and what's coming out. Although the sneakers day was pretty trash, these Air Jordan 4, Bred Reimagined shock drop, bro, it is crickets. I'm talking about super crickets. But hopefully here within the next couple of days, we do hear something, because, bruh, I need a double up. This pair is super crispy, bro. I know a lot of people only want the OGs, the same material and stuff like that. But in terms of, them switching to all the way up, giving us an all leather look, you can wear this all year long in the snow, in the rain, sleet, whatever you want to rock it in. They'll be super durable, because they do have some very, very nice leather quality around this Air Jordan 4. And this is so crazy just to think that if Jordan did wear an all leather pair, people go all crazy over these. And then if the new buck came out as far as Reimagined, people would literally hate it. It's always like that, bruh. The OGs never want nothing new. They want to keep it all the same. But people that feel like a little bit younger generation, they are appreciating some of the reimagined looks, some of the different colorways and stuff like that that's being added to these drops. In terms of the resale value, bro, like I said, man, $390 just from my size. This other size is going for like $400, $450 and stuff like that. That is pretty steep, and we're only 3 weeks away from the drop. I don't see them dropping below like 340, 350, because I know a lot of people gonna come up here asking, yo, should I buy now? Should I wait and stuff like that? I'm just gonna tell y'all this, 500,000 pairs for an OG colorway like this, even in a reimagined spinoff, is not a lot of pairs. And if you ain't putting in your footwork, if you ain't putting in your legwork, if you don't know a couple people, or if you don't confirm anything on FLX, Finish Line, JD, Shoe Palace, all them other shops like that, it's gonna be hard to hit on the Nike sneakers app. I'm gonna put it just like that. I know a lot of people do rely on the sneakers app to hit on either the shock drop, the exclusive access, or even on the original release date, which we ain't heard nothing about the shock drop yet, and we ain't heard nothing about the exclusive access. So rewind all the way back to last year with the Air Jordan 3 reimaginings, we did get exclusive access. We got that shock drop, all that within like a 2 to 3 week span, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, like I said, I ain't gonna tell you how to buy now or wait. Just know I do not see them going below like that 320, 330, 340 price range due to the hype, the demand for this sneaker. And I know all y'all like the OGs, like, bruh, they ain't all that. It's leather. We want the new buck. It's new other people that started to buy shoes. They all over this all leather pair of Bred 4s right here. And while I got y'all here, bro, just actually taking a look at all 3 of these reimaginings, starting off with the white cement 3s right here, then leading to the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found Chicago's, and then last but not least, dropping this year in a couple of weeks, the Air Jordan 4 Breds, bro. They killed all 3 of these, honestly, in my opinion. And it's definitely up there as far as debating which one is the best. But I know a lot of people will take the Chicago because that's pretty much what started it all. But in terms of, you know, it's an execution, the colorways, the craftsmanship, the different hits, and the way they portrayed it to us consumers, it's definitely up there as far as which one is the best. You guys let me know which one you're rocking out with more down below in the comment section, bro. But hey, hats off to Nike, hats off to Jordan Brand. Y'all killed it in my opinion. I'll be doing a full review and on feed over these Bred 4 reimaginings here soon. And like I said, hopefully here within the next couple of days, we do hear something about a shock drop and exclusive access or something. Because, bruh, I'm on the edge of my seat as well as far as getting my double up pair. These things is perfect. I can't wait to rock these things, beat these things up. Pause. Because, man, that all leather, bruh. Hey, these things is high-key tough, bruh. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video, bruh. No shock drop confirmed yet. It's a lot of speculations and stuff like that. But as of now, nothing is solid. Stick around and stay tuned for any more updates about this shock drop by hitting the notification bell, subscribing to the channel if you're new, and please give a huge like on today's video. That shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for tapping in, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.